Google just dropped a bombshell. The Pixel 10 series is getting teased at an exclusive Pixel Superfans event this June. Is this a shockingly early launch? Let's break it down. Google's shaking things up with a Pixel 10 preview way sooner than expected. Stick around to find out what this means for the next Pixel and Android 16. According to GadInsider, Google's hosting a pre-launch event on June 27th for Pixel Superfans in London, where they will get a first look at the Pixel 10 series and other upcoming devices. This is huge. Pixel launches usually hit in August, so this early tease is turning heads. Posts on X and reports suggest that the Pixel 10 could debut alongside Android 16, which is also rumored to drop sooner than expected. Think smoother UI, better AI, and maybe even a redesigned camera bar to rival the iPhone 17. While we don't have confirmed specs yet, the Pixel 10 is expected to build on the Tensor G5 chip with enhanced AI features and a polished design. The Superfans event might also showcase foldables or new wearables, keeping Google's ecosystem in the spotlight. This early tease could mean that Google is ready to steal the summer spotlight from Apple and Samsung. The Pixel 10 might launch ahead of its usual timeline, setting the stage for a massive 2025. Stay tuned for more leaks. If you're pumped for Google's next big thing, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech news. Stay ahead of the curve.